I built my entire content studio for $223, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, so let's get into it. Always check the materials before you order, because pictures will lie to you every single time. See you in the next one. I built my entire content studio for $223, not $2,000, not $500, $223. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, what I bought, what I almost bought and deeply regretted, and the final moment when everything came together. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Abby. I make travel content, vlogs, guides, itineraries, everything from Ottawa to Las Vegas. And for the longest, I was creating content from whatever corner of my home I could find. No dedicated space, no real setup, so I decided to build one on a real budget and document everything for you. The first thing I did was get clear on the vibe, and this is where I spent the most time. Not shopping, not building, just figuring out what I actually wanted the space to feel like. Every reference I found online was either way out of my budget or just not quite right. The turning point was locking in my color story. It was either dark blue, black, or warm gold. Once I had that, every single decision after that became easy. The decor, the wall, it all followed. So I woke up one day and just decided, today is the day. I made the same day decision, ordered everything from IKEA online and picked it up the same day. So I did the lamp, the frame, and the picture ledge. It was simple and focused. And then there was a HELMER drawer unit. It comes with metal, 6 drawers, casters on the bottom. It looks amazing in the pictures. So I added it to my order without thinking twice. So I got home excited, opened the boxes, started laying everything out to start building. And the moment I touched that metal sheet, I just knew it was thin, lightweight, not exactly how I pictured it. The photos made it look so much more solid than it actually is. So I packed every single piece back in the box and returned it and got my $79 back in my pocket. A win is a win. But hey, that's completely on me because I ordered based on pictures without checking the material description. So let that be your lesson. Always check the materials before you order, because pictures will lie to you every single time. My Amazon order arrived and this part was smooth. Everything looked exactly like the pictures and matched the vision perfectly. Touch, let your hose on, let you get a handful, baby, she's a whole lot of woman. Soft kisses on some fat lips. It's yours, baby, you can crash it on me. Cash out on a video, make 'em cash out to see the rodeo. But I wanna show her back and nasty. Just a jiggle in the backseat. Everything bigger than Texas. Big body, bust it open, feed you breakfast. Me in the bathroom on the same time. Baby, let me sink into your arms. Drink me till it's done. Eat it all. Can get closer, let you love me like a lady, yeah. Toast it over, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. One bite in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some more. Say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rules, one polite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go tonight. Posing who step to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. It's like where the love is like. I put that on my mama. Let you love me like a lady, yeah. Dust it over, it get creamy in the middle, yeah. One bite in the box is yours. Sugar high, you gon' want some. And then it all started coming together. The desk, the monitor, the laptop, and the details on the wall. Piece by piece, the wall started looking like somewhere I actually wanted to be. There's something really satisfying about watching a vision in your head slowly become the real thing right in front of you. I'm tired. I've been at this since forever, but I'm almost done. I'm very, very happy with the progress made so far. I don't know if I want to finish this today or if I'm going to finish it tomorrow. Depends on how I'm feeling, but I'm just happy with, everything that we have so far. Just want it to be something simple, not just plain walls. So I'm happy with what we have. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. And then it was done. I sat in the chair for a while, didn't grab my phone, I didn't say anything. I just took it all in because this space represents something. It represents deciding to take your dreams seriously enough to build something for them. Here's exactly what I spent. From Amazon, I got the wallpaper for $90.39. The artificial plant was $39.99. The wall hook was $19.98. So that's that for Amazon. And then from IKEA, the wall lamp was $19.99. The art frame was $12.99. The picture ledge was $9.99. The tray table was $24.99. And then I got bulb for the lamp for $4.99, bringing it total to $223.31. The desk, the chair, the camera, and the artwork, I already own those. So the expensive stuff I already had, and that's the whole point. When you're on a budget, it's imperfect. With a drawer unit you've had to return. If you're thinking of starting your channel this year, you don't need thousands of dollars. Pick your color story, work with what you already have, and just start. Your audience is already waiting for you. Drop your setup in the comments. I really want to see them. Hit the subscribe button to see my travel vlogs, destination guides, and so much more. See you in the next one.